Hi guys, it's me Piyun and Poonam. Welcome to my new video. Want this? So let's start. First, open your InShot and add your clips and music. Here you need 1 clip for intro part and 8 picture and then 4 clips. You can check description box for the duration of those clips and pictures. Now go to the picture and add keyframe at the beginning and ending. You have to do the same with those 8 picture, only in picture, okay? Now go to the first picture and in the end you have added a keyframe, zoom it there, and in the second one zoom it in the first, and do the same with third and fourth, then fifth and sixth, like this. Now go to essay and click on the save it option. You have to do this with every clip. Where you have added 2 keyframes, in the middle of keyframe you have to add essay. When the picture part will be done, so after that you have to click on the first clip and then go to animation and add fade animation in the starting and ending. The duration will be 0.1 second in both sides, and now you can see how it's looking. Now we're gonna work on the last 4 clips, so click on the first clip and then go to speed and choose curve and adjust it like I did. After that you have to go back and adjust your clip like the beat. I will give duration, don't worry. And also don't forget to add smooth for smoothness, it will be good actually. And now you have to do the same with other 3 clips too. Now it's done. Now go to the picture part and click on the first picture and then go to PIP and add a white background for overlay. Now cut the overlay. And for now you can adjust it in 0.4 second. Now click on it and go to blend and adjust it in overlay. Now add a keyframe at the first, and after a little distance just adjust the opacity to 20 or maybe 50 as I did, you can see. Now copy the overlay again and adjust it in every picture. You can see how I'm doing, you have to do the same. After adding it in the picture part, you have to add this in the last 4 clips too, like I'm doing here. Now you can check the video if it's okay or not. I think we have to add animation in the picture part. So click on the first picture and then go to animation and add fade animation in the starting and ending. Of course, the duration will be 0.1 second in both sides. Now do the same with other 8 pictures too. After this, go to Effect and then search for Bass Effect. Here it is. Now click on it and adjust it like I did. You have to add the first effect in the ending of the picture part and the starting of the clip part. You have to adjust it in the middle of 2 clips. Now click on the effect, choose object and click on all, so it will be added in overlay too. Now copy the effect 2 times and move one effect to the second part. As I said, you have to adjust it in the middle of 2 clips. Now do the same with other clips too. You can see how I'm doing. I think we have to add animation in the last 4 clips too, so add animation as well. Now click on PIP and add the lyrics overlay I just have given you in the first. And now adjust the overlay. Now go to blend and click on screen. I know you are gonna ask that where's the red part, I have given only white part. Actually I have added red part here, but it was not looking well, so I given you the white part. Now here you have to cut the extra part. Now export the video. Now go back and add the video you just have exported. Now search for the part where the last 4 clip started. Here is the part. So give a cut here and delete the extra part. Now in the very last you have to add a white background and give a cut in the ending of the music. Now click on it and add keyframe at the first. After a distance you have to add the second keyframe, but you don't have to add keyframe directly, just go to opacity and click on it and adjust it to 0, so the second keyframe will be added normally. Then go to assay and add the 7th option. And finally your edit is done with voice watermark. And don't worry, I will upload the short video in my YT channel so you can get the audio from there. Like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe for more new tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.